Come and be charmed with the beautiful space of Shilpita Sengupta as we show you around. Everything in her home speaks about her impressive and outstanding decor style. You wouldn't believe that this is not even a 1,000 square feet house, but it is done so nicely that it has taken a lot of time and effort to present it to you with due justice to the lovely interior. So today I will show you the living area, dining room, foyer area and the kitchen. To enjoy the rest of the home tour, have some patience and wait till I share part 2 with the guest room, kids room and the bedroom. Shilpita mixes patterns and colors beautifully, and it's definitely not everyone's cup of tea. In this home tour, you can get inspiration for an efficient use of space and strategical placement of large mirrors to make the room look much bigger than it actually is. So, rest assured, you are yet to discover more. Don't just go away, and now let us start from the foyer area. The entryway to the home is as impressive as the interiors. The main door is flanked on either side by antique finds that creates an arresting first impression. Traditional shoe rack or cabinet at the entry is conspicuous by its absence. As she doesn't like to show it, it has been hidden nicely. Souvenirs displayed tastefully, which has been collected by the family while traveling around the globe. You will come across more such lovely pieces around the beautifully done home. Shilpita knows very well how to play with patterns, textures, and colors, and how to blend them well in decor. With the use of so many decor elements, result is not overwhelming clutter, but an interesting expression of each piece that tells a story. This warm, bright, and lively corner in the living room has been created by merging the small balcony. And here is a wall full of masks, a real treat to the eyes. Masks in the most exciting colors and different sizes to entice the visitors. These are the recent collection from their vacation in Bali. Plants can be an awesome home decor element, arranged neatly in the corner that gets maximum sun. Being a professor, her love for books is not surprising. Her household is immersed in books, which you will see soon. Visual interest added to the space with the interspersed placement of art and books. Dining area is demarcated by a raised flooring. I just love the setting done so beautifully in this small space, especially the centerpiece, low height lamp focused on the table, and the large mirror to give the spacious look. Living room wall is brought to life by a collection of favorite family photographs. The frames, all in similar style, come together to make a perfect display of happy memories. Mirror on the other side of the wall magnifies the effect of the display. And this white L-shaped sofa with the bright red cushions brings a whole load of personality to this space. Shilpita's passion for collecting has found expression in every corner of her home. Now let's have a look at the kitchen. Bengalis and their love for fish needs no introduction. So this beautiful wooden fish from Bali welcomes you to the kitchen. Well organized kitchen done in bright orange. That's all for today. We'll show you this kids room along with the guest room and the master bedroom in the second part. Hope you all enjoyed today's home tour. Do leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. See you all very soon with the part 2 of this lovely home tour. Till then, enjoy and have a great day.